Welcome back. Shares of Caterpillar are down 10% this year, but options traders are betting on a big rebound. Pete Najarian is at the telestrator with his latest options moves, and joining us from Chicago is Jon.
Who?
Not on the back of a boat or wherever he was.
Helicopters.
Eating caviar out of the Stanley Cup with Ovechkin. I don't know, you were everywhere.
Come on. It was a fun 10 days off.
Yeah, he had a nice 10 or 12
days,
or 14.
10's the new 20. Pete,
like
you're
that.
up first.
Yeah, I'm going to give you Caterpillar. And here, this is a stock. If you take a look at this chart, I mean, look at some of the drops of where this thing's been, Scott. And even recently, right in this area here. Well, anyway, is it going to finally turn around? I think that there's a possibility. We've watched some of the industrial names that are moving. Obviously, trade war tensions out there, a lot of the concerns about that. So the November 150 calls were bought today. 3,000 of these things. They're paying $5 for those. It's part of a spread. Stock was trading just under 141 at the time. I like what we're seeing here that, by the way, they've got earnings coming in July. I like what we're seeing here because this is a smart way to make this trade, because if things can't turn around fast enough for Caterpillar, you're only out this amount of premium that you're putting out. You're not really at risk in terms of the stock if it were to dive any further. But I look at the forward multiple of this stock as well. I think it's cheap. I think this is a great opportunity and a great way to play Caterpillar. I got one quick update for you as well, Scott.
Please.
ConocoPhillips, just the end of June 27th, we had some buyers in there. Stock was trading around 69. Now the stock is starting to push back quite a bit higher, 71.50. They were buying the very, very short-term calls. I told you the other day I'm overweight in energy. This was a great opportunity today to say, you know what, this one I love it. The options have moved. I'm taking it off, so I'm giving you an update right now. I was in that June 27th. I'm out of it this morning.
Got you.
Yep.
Rick Steves, you're up.
All right. I got a travel book I'm going to be publishing, Judge. No, what I've got for you is Merck, MRK. As you know, your good friend who was on the show with you guys yesterday, Jim Cramer, took him to a buy last week. Today, somebody scrambles in, buys 10,000 calls in Merck. That's a million share equivalent. Pretty big buyer. Like that activity. These are August calls, Judge, so they're giving themselves a little more time. I bought these calls. My intention is to hold on to them for probably up to 3 weeks.
Okay.
And I have a second one for you, too. LPLA, which is LPL Financial. I've never talked about this one to my knowledge before, but today they come scrambling in, buy July calls, just like Merck. These guys have earnings at the end of July. I think Merck's are the 27th. These guys are the 26th. They're buying upside calls in LPLA. I bought those as well. This is a shorter term trade, though. Probably a week to 10 days.
Okay. Good stuff, guys. Thank you very much.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.